Welcome back. Today we have a pasta and vegetable dish for you. The recipe's down in the description box for your convenience, along with miscellaneous cooking items. And let's go put this together. Okay, I have about a 10-inch skillet. I have the temperature on medium. I got 2 tablespoons of butter. We're going to melt that. Okay, our butter's almost melted, so we got 1 clove of garlic we chopped up and smashed up. We're going to add that right now. And then we're going to get this all coated up with the butter. So now we have our frozen vegetables. I took them out, thawed. It's about 8 ounces. This is the California mixture, so it's just cauliflower, broccoli, and carrots. We're going to add that, and we're going to saute these for about 5 minutes, on 5 to 8 minutes. Coat them up with the butter. It's still on medium heat, and we'll leave it on that. Okay, I've had it on for about 10 minutes now. I wanted to get a little bit of golden brown on the cauliflower, just a tad. I turn the heat down now to simmer, and now we're going to add 1 cup of broccoli cheese soup, 1 can of that. Condensed soup. 1 cup of milk. 1/4 cup of Parmesan, grated. And 1/2 teaspoon of oregano. We're going to stir this all up. We're going to cook this down about 10 minutes until it gets thick. It has to get thickened up, so it's going to be like a cheese sauce. Now, while you're cooking this, you need to cook a 1/2 pound of linguine, and just get that cooked up and set that off to the side. Okay, we thickened up our cheese sauce, and now we're just going to pour this right into the linguine. Now we're going to give this a mix. And look at that. Different type of cheese. I got broccoli, cheese, and pasta, and some vegetables. All right, let's give it a try. This looks amazing. Thick, creamy cheese. Vegetables are tender. Oh, this is good. Perfect side dish. Excellent. Give it a try. Recipes down in the description box. And until next time, this is Classical Gourmet wishing you happy cooking.